If you're having trouble signing up for a new X account on your iPhone, it could be due to app glitches, connection issues, or wrong inputs. Let's walk through some quick steps to fix it. First of all, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, open the App Store and search for X. Then check if there's any update available. If yes, update the app. Then force close the X app completely and reopen it. Now try signing up again. Make sure you enter a valid email address or phone number, and if it still fails, restart your iPhone and try signing up again. After that, go to your device's settings and then tap on General. Here, go into iPhone storage. Now scroll down and tap on X. Here, select Offload App, then reinstall it to refresh the app data. If none of these work, open Safari or any of your preferred browser, then go to x.com and try signing up from there instead. That's how you fix the X sign-up issues on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.